classification. And in today's budgetary times, you may see more and more of it, but I'm not sure. But I think you need to do something about it.
Yeah, is it safe to assume that they're asking someone with a lesser salary to do the work of, well, your work, and you're at a higher salary?
It's a higher salary. They're working at a higher salary, but the item is a clerical position.
Well,
and are there more than one person like yourself who are affected by this out of classification work?
They won't speak up.
Okay, so
it's
all on your shoulders.
It's sort of like, the sheeps and the wolf.
I can barely hear you, guys.
It's sort of like the sheeps and the wolf. The wolf comes out and most of the sheep run away.
Yes.
It takes one person to do something about it.
I can't hear you.
Okay, let me do something. Hey, crew, can you turn up the sound so she can hear us, please?
Yeah, he can't hear very well.
Wow.
Well, can you hear me better?
Now I can hear you a little better.
Okay, all right. My partner, I'll translate. My partner is telling you that all it takes is one brave person to right a wrong, and you may be that brave person, but you have to take those steps necessary to perfect the right that you have, and actually to protect the people who are being required to work out of class, and the people in that class who are being effectively replaced task by task. So that's your obligation to pursue, and you have to start at the administrative level. That is, in this case, talking to your union people.
Here's what you can do also. Here's what you can also do. You can send me an email at legalhelplive. It's one word, legalhelplive@gmail.
Legal
help live.
Maybe they can put it on the screen for us.
Can you guys put up the email for her, please?
Put up Legal Help Live so she can read it.
They're going to put it up. All right.
It's on the way. There it is.
They're going to put it up.
Write that down. It's on the screen now.
And send me an email.
Oh, wait a minute. I got some TV on. Hold on.
Okay. So just.
All righty. Let's see.
Okay.
I see it.
Send me an email there.
You want an email?
Yeah. Send me an email about it, and I'll try and refer you to somebody who might be able to help you. Okay. And Happy New Year.
All righty. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go to the next.
Thanks for calling Legal Help Live. We got some more people to talk to.
Let's go to the next caller.
Let's go to the next caller. Rochelle. Oh, I'm mispronouncing the name. Come on and talk to us. You're up.
Hello?
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 What? I don't know your name yet. What is it?
Rochelle.
Rochelle.
How you doing?
Hi, Rochelle. How are you? What's going on? How can we help you today?
Thank you.
How can we help you?
My father was in a car accident in Bakersfield.
Okay.
Turn off your television and just talk for the phone.
And okay.
All right.
And
There you go.
we have a lawsuit rather, but it's been since '09, and the lawyer, he's not really telling us anything, and we haven't received anything, and from my understanding that they settled or they're settling, and I don't know, it's almost about to be the statute of limitations where you can't file anymore, I will lose his lawsuit or whatever, and I don't know what to do from this point.
All right. How bad was he hurt?
I've asked for papers. I've asked, every time we've asked him for something, he's never
What happened,
this with
Rochelle?
She can't take this big sound from.
I don't, I'm just like lost with it right now.
Yeah, Rochelle, what happened in the accident?
The car, it was a vehicle, a truck, an Escalade, and he lost control of the car and hit the back of my grandfather's car, and it made him wreck into two other cars, and he died instantly.
Oh, wow.
And there was other, my two cousins, they also were killed, and the 2-year-old little cousin, his arm was amputated, but they got it back. But we're having such a problem with, getting any understanding of what's going on or anything. And then the individual who hit the car. He is not disputing anything at all. It was he lost control. He wasn't under influence or anything. He just lost control with his vehicle, yes. And went from one intersection to the other intersection, and his car was going so fast, the impact had just, killed my.
Does he have insurance? Does he have insurance?
The person who hit your grandfather is insured or not? Do you know?
I'm sorry, I can barely hear your music or something in your background.
Yeah, let me try and shout it out. Do you know if the person who hit your grandfather had insurance?
Yes, he did.
And you say there is a lawsuit on file?
Yes, it is.
And do you know what the limits are?
And it's been, it's ready to go on 2 years in March.
Here's what we're going to do. I want you to stay on the line. I'm going to ask.
Okay.
I'm going to ask because there's some sound problems today. I'm going to ask the producer to get your name and phone number, and I will call you off the air as soon as we get off around 5 o'clock. So give them the number we're going to be at because I'm having difficulty hearing you, and I'll give you some advice what to do right after 5 o'clock. Okay? Hello?
Okay, you say yes, somebody's going to come online because there's music playing, so it's very hard to hear what you're saying. Okay. But I think I'm understanding.
Stay. Tell her to stay.
I'll try and yell it out at you. Give our screener your name and telephone number, and when the show is over today after 5 o'clock, my partner will call you, and he'll have some suggestions for you by telephone.
Because it's difficult communicating.
Because obviously we can't hear each other very well.
Okay? So stay on the line.
Okay.
All right. Thanks, Rochelle.
Perfect. That's fine. I understood that.
Okay. Stay on the line.
Thank you very much.
Wolf, get her phone number and give it to us when the show's over, and I'll call her.